Are you looking forward to your next grandma camp? Today I'm sharing 3 simple crafts our grandkids have loved, and I'm sure yours will too. First up, these homemade air horns. Be prepared, these are loud, but the kids love them. These were easy and inexpensive. We just used some PVC pipe that was left over from our sprinkler project, some black electrical tape, and a balloon. You can cut your pipe to whatever length you want. Different lengths will make different sounds. Another idea are these little fairy houses. Our granddaughters love making these. They request them almost every year. I got my supplies off of Amazon, but I've seen a lot at my local Dollar Tree. These turned out so cute. Our grandsons weren't interested in making these, so my husband helped them paint some wooden boats that sadly I don't have a picture of. The next idea is to have each of your grandkids paint their own Grandma Camp t-shirt. You can grab plain t-shirts in a 3-pack at Walmart. I just used acrylic paints, but we've also made similar ones using fabric markers. One of my favorite things about Grandma Camp is having experiences with our grandkids that they'll remember years later. Not because everything was perfect, but because we were all together. I'd love to know your favorite activity to do with your grandkids. Let us know in the comments below. If you're holding Grandma Camp with your grandkids this summer, or if you're just looking for fun summer activities, I hope this gave you a few ideas. If you're interested in more family games, Grandma Camp ideas, and just simple ways to connect with your family, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.